I wanted to record a quick video about AAA Cooper Transportation. My name is Baskin Jones. I'm a personal injury attorney in Mississippi. I give free consultations about injuries involving 18-wheelers. AAA Cooper Transportation runs routes through Mississippi. They are a large regional carrier, and these routes often put them in contact with Mississippi drivers. If you've been injured as a result of a wreck with a AAA Cooper Transportation vehicle, we'd be happy to talk to you. There's some things that need to happen early in these cases. There's inspections of the vehicle, there's experts getting to the scene, and there's inspection of the logs by this driver. We'd be happy to help with this process. We provide free consultations, and we're happy to speak with anyone about their claim. Our number is 601-272-2406, and also our website will provide some more information about AAA Cooper Transportation.